Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the Bobtot Bluetooth Speaker, a portable powerhouse that promises to elevate your audio experience. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk design.
The Bobtot Bluetooth speaker sports a modern, compact design, measuring just 4.43.63.6 inches.
It's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Plus, it comes with a built-in strap for easy hanging on backpacks, bicycles, or carts. Now, let's talk connectivity.
This speaker utilizes Bluetooth technology for seamless pairing with your devices, whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. But here's the kicker, it also supports non-Bluetooth devices via an aux cable, which is included in the package.
Talk about versatility.
But what about sound quality?
Well, the Bobtot Bluetooth speaker doesn't disappoint. With a 5W stereo audio driver and dual bass sound chambers. It delivers immersive sound with rich bass, crisp mids, and clear highs. Trust me, you'll feel like you're at a live concert. Now, let's talk about the party piece, the RGB lights. This speaker comes with 6 vibrant light patterns, including single color, multicolor, and pulsating modes. The lights change and react to the audio being played, creating a mesmerizing visual experience. And don't worry, you can easily toggle them off if you prefer a more subdued ambiance. But wait, there's more. The Bobtot Bluetooth speaker isn't just about looks and sound.
It's also built to withstand the elements. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, it can handle splashes, rain, and even a dip in the pool.
Plus, it's dustproof and shockproof, making it the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures.
Last but not least, let's talk about battery life. This speaker boasts an impressive 25 hours of playtime on a single charge, thanks to its high-capacity battery.
Plus, it features a built-in microphone for hands-free calls, so you can stay connected without missing a beat.
So, there you have it, the Bobtot Bluetooth speaker, a compact powerhouse that delivers impressive sound, stunning visuals, and rugged durability. Whether you're at home, in the great outdoors, or on the move, this speaker has got you covered.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, stay tuned for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets.